2017 Ford Escape key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom first. Sliding switch here, slide it over to the right, hold it down, and then take out the emergency key. Now once we do that, there's the slot for the emergency key right here. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to pry the back panel off using that hole, okay, or the slot, like this. All right. And here we go. Here's the battery here. This is a super easy battery change on this. Turn over like this. There's a slot here that you can just gently pull this battery out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing down. Put it on these contacts first like this. Stays in here like that. And you just get the two halves. And you put them together. I'll start at the top and work my way down, press it down. You hear it click and get the emergency key. Put it back in, and if it locks in, you're all done. If you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link takes you to Amazon where you can get the correct size battery for like $2. Hope the video was quick and straight to the point. If you thought it was, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another Ford video.